serial 501543-10-0. This is the final unit we're videoing today, and we'll come back to the cutting chamber. We got 13,100 hours on this one. Nice clean screen, and we've got our blades here. Looking at the blades, they look pretty sharp. No nicks or anything unusual for this one. Looks pretty good. Free spinning. We inspected it for any contaminants, didn't see anything. There's still a little bit of plastic in here, but not much, so we'll go ahead and close it up and run it. All right, back on serial 501543-10-1. And we've got her all closed up now. Got our conveyor in place. And we'll go ahead and, looks like this one we need to enable. Get this one enabled and get this started. Got some airbags in there popping around. Start up our conveyor. Everything seems to be good here. We'll check the amps on this one, and we're about 18 amps here as well.